In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and delete OneDrive duplicate files and photos all at once. Sometimes, over time, our OneDrive accounts become cluttered with duplicate files, whether they are photos, documents, or any other kind of media. Not only does this clutter take up unnecessary space, but it can also make it harder to find the files you really need. So, let's get started with streamlining your OneDrive. First, begin by opening a web browser on your computer. Navigate to OneDrive and log into your account if you aren't already. You'll want to ensure that you're accessing your OneDrive account from a desktop for the best functionality and ease of use. Once you're signed in, go to the main dashboard of your OneDrive. This is where you'll see all your files and folders neatly laid out. Next, download and install a duplicate finding software tool. There are several tools available, both free and paid, which can scan your OneDrive for duplicate files. Just make sure to choose one that supports cloud storage solutions like OneDrive. Some popular options include CCleaner or Duplicate Cleaner. Once you've picked a tool, download it and follow the installation prompts. After a successful installation, start the program. Upon opening the duplicate finding software, you'll need to select your OneDrive folder to scan. This might require setting up a connection to your OneDrive account within the software. Usually, this involves granting the app permission to access your files. Follow the on-screen instructions, and once connected, look for the scan option within the app. Run a comprehensive scan of your entire OneDrive folder. This process might take some time depending on the amount of data you have stored. While the scan is in progress, it's a good opportunity to plan out how you want to organize your files post-duplicate removal. Think about what folders your files should be stored in, or any specific files you might want to save in multiple copies for safety. After the scan, the software will provide you with a list of all duplicate files found in your OneDrive. Review this list carefully. The software usually provides options to preview the files to ensure they are genuinely duplicates. Be meticulous in this step, as you don't want to accidentally delete files that are important. Once you're confident in your selections, use the delete function within the software to remove all duplicates from your OneDrive. Most tools offer a one-click delete option that automates the removal process to ensure no steps are skipped. Finally, once the duplicates are deleted, go back to your OneDrive dashboard to verify that the files are indeed gone and that your folders are now organized the way you planned. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully cleaned up your OneDrive, freeing up space and making it easier to navigate. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.